never heard of a slaughter. I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Everything is everything.
Right now, we're at the Cowboys Training Center in Texas, watching the Monday Night Football game on the Jumbotron television.
So let's not get distracted and let's get straight into the She's Hot winner for today.
Our She's Hot winner for this week is going to be Miss Lauren Gray.
Congratulations, Miss Lauren Gray, on your win.
Congratulations, Miss Lauren Gray. But she's an American model, singer, and social media personality from Pottstown, Pennsylvania. She was signed to Virgin Records and Capitol Records until she became an independent artist earlier this year.
Way to go, Lauren Gray. That's all I want to say about that.
I haven't heard any of her music, but I appreciate the fact that she's making it.
Let's make music together, Lauren Gray.
Exactly. Well, let's get into our hot topics for today with the VMAs.
Starting off the VMAs, we're going to go ahead and run right into Kourtney Kardashian and Megan Fox look. So first of all, they looked fantastic, especially Megan Fox.
You're right
she
about
was
that,
wearing,
Dr. Ross.
Exactly. She was wearing a gold dress with a see-through bikini underneath. But where it went downhill for me is where they said that they're introducing their future baby daddies, Long Neck and Travis
I'm a huge
Barker.
fan of this next performer. I've watched him grow, and not just as an artist, but also as a person.
I'm a fan too, and I think his drummer is super hot.
New York, I need you to get extra loud for our future baby daddies.
Machine Gun Kelly and Travis Barker.
But Megan Fox and with Miss Kourtney Kardashian, both of you ladies are dealing with adolescence right now.
That's
both
right.
Travis Barker and Machine Gun Kelly. But Machine Gun Kelly's name doesn't even fit him. For me, it should just be Rattle. But Dr. Ross, what do you think about TB and Machine Gun Kelly, or MGK as they call it?
Well, what I want to say is, first of all, Machine Gun Kelly had pearls on the side of his face.
Before we move into the next part of the VMAs, I want to say with Kourtney and with Megan Fox, I want to say you guys look scandalous right now, but you ladies would look a lot better with the dreads from the Jamaican shampoo.
They would look good with some dreadlocks. And we will send both of you, Megan Fox and Miss Kourtney, our Jamaican shampoo free of charge.
Because if you're trying to be the savages, you need the Jamaican hair and the Jamaican Rasta locks.
That's right.
But we're going to send
Get
it
you
to
the
you
look.
complimentary, free of charge.
That's right. Now let's get into our next hot topic. For the next news, we're going to mention the Met Gala because Megan Fox actually looked really good in the Met Gala. Some of my favorite looks have already been Erykah Badu. Emily Blunt actually came out and she surprised us all in the dress that she came out in.
You know, Emily Blunt is actually really surprising, but with
Yes.
Erykah Badu, she always brings her A game to all of these events.
True, and this was a creative event, so she really brought the creativity to it. One of the looks I would have to say is a no for the Met Gala, though, is Sharon Stone. We love you, Sharon Stone. But the outfit that you were going for looks a little bit like Darth Vader. You had a big black cape on. We say you're beautiful, but maybe get a different type of look going on.
You know,
Also,
Dr.
Kim.
Ross, speaking of capes, that actually leads me right into it.
Exactly.
That reminds me just of Kim's outfit. Kim pulled up to the VMAs, or actually came to the VMAs, in a Kanye West looking getup with a mask over her head, a long cape. Now a cape works, but not in these type of situations, and definitely not in these outfits.
And the thing we want to ask Kim is, do you need us to fan you, Miss Kim? We can fan you because I know it's very hot inside of that mask. You had no ventilation whatsoever. So let's get into our next hot topic. We're going to go ahead and mention Nick Cannon is with the foolishness, and he's wilding out. He walked up when
Ashanti was actually,
right.
she was having an interview with ET Entertainment Tonight, and he came out of nowhere saying, "What's good, period," where the red dreads, and like Dr. Ross said, he was wild and out.
and the soda, and he was walking like this. So I don't know if he was making fun of someone or Nick Cannon was just being his silly self. Nick Cannon, IK and I are ready to come on your show. I
That's
think it's
right.
about time for us to come on the Nick Cannon show. You've used the Wendy Williams studio. and this is the perfect time to come.
It's time for us to come in there and give you luster, because you had the dreadlocks, but you need the Jamaican locks. We need to give you some of the Jamaican shampoo.
But let's close up all these hot topics, IK, because we have things to do and places to be and money to make.
That's
so,
right.
Once again, congratulations to Miss Lauren Gray on your win.
Congratulations.
Of course, she's hot winner. Congratulations.
Congratulations on your win. But guys, these were all of our hot topics. And for Kylie Jenner, that's for you. We're going to be in LA in a week, guys, so stay tuned for that, because you know we're going to be making a video right when we touch down.
That's right. Hopefully you and Travis Scott go and watch the game, Kylie Jenner, or maybe he's busy zoning out with the same brown suit. Who cares? We're out.
Touchdown.